what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me.
Hello people, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia, and today I'll be showing you how to make one of the best hair growth conditioner, leave-in conditioner from the comfort of your home. So stay with me from the beginning of the video to the end so you don't miss any tip. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any video from me. So to start with, we are going to be using fenugreek seed. So you have to soak your fenugreek seed in water for about 15 minutes. Fenugreek is very good. It's good for hair. It helps in thickening your hair. If your hair is too thin, then you should use fenugreek to make it thick. So fenugreek is going to serve as a thickening product in the leave-in conditioner we are going to be doing. Our next product is neem leaves. So if you've never seen neem leaves, because this is how it looks like, and this is everywhere, almost everywhere in Africa. If you're not in Africa, I know you can buy it. You can buy the powdered one from any hair or chemical store around you, or even the mall or a grocery shop, anywhere you can get it. So since I have the plants already, all I have to do is do my powder from it or use it for what I'm going to do raw like that. All I have to do is take the leaves of its branches, then wash it in water. The neem leaf is very good for your hair. It helps in hair thickening also. It also helps in stopping breakage. It also helps in curing lines. If you have lines in your hair, the neem is perfect for curing limbs. It's good for dandruff, those with dandruff that you can actually see, like when you remove the dandruff, it's like how do you biscuits. This is good for you. You should use it. You should use just the neem leaves to just rinse your hair with it. Boil it in water and use it to rinse your hair, and you will be good to go. But today we are not just going to boil this neem leaves, we are going to use it for a leave-in conditioner, a leave-in butter. So watch to the end. Like I said from the beginning, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the amazing videos from me. If you've watched up to this point, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and also share so we can reach more people who needs to see this thing. People who have lines in their hair, people who don't know how to do their own hair conditioner or hair butter. This is the right video for them. So we are going to be washing the neem leaves with salt just to kill any germs that is inside. We don't want to be curing germs and putting another germs in our hair, so we are just washing it. If you have vinegar, that is fine, you can wash it with it, but if you don't have vinegar, you should just wash it with your salt and you are good to go. The next thing we are going to be doing is cutting the neem leaves into pieces. Cut it so our blender can be able to blend it into paste. So this is why I'm cutting it. If your blender can blend it without cutting it, it's okay, but I was afraid my blender will, like something will happen to my blender, it will spoil, so I decided to cut it into pieces before I go ahead and blend it. Like I was saying, neem leaves is one of the best or the renowned herbs for growing hair. If you read about neem leaves, you'll be amazed of its hair benefits. So after cutting our neem leaves, all we have to do is pour it in our blender, add a little bit of water and blend it. Blending neem leaves is a bit difficult, so take your time, blend it until it is paste, make it paste. So when you blend it, you leave it for about 5 minutes, then you blend it again just to make it paste. You want real paste and not the leaves showing inside. After blending for a few minutes, I stopped and added our fenugreek seed. So the fenugreek seed, we are going to be using the water as a hairspray, and we are using the seed in the water. We are adding it to the mixture here and blend together. So this is how I remove the fenugreek seed from the water. The water was hot, so I used spoon to remove it and add it to the paste and went ahead to blend it. So this alone is a very good mixture. It's very good for hair. You can just use it as a hair mask, leave it in your hair for about 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off. But then that is not what we are going to be doing today. Like I said from the beginning, we are doing a leave-in conditioner or a leave-in butter, conditioner butter. So that is the main idea of this video. So after blending our fenugreek and neem leaves for some time, this is how it looks. And if your blender can blend it finer than this, it's no problem, you can blend it ahead. Go ahead and blend it more. But after blending, I pour it in my pot. I have to pour it in my pot and put it on fire. Then after putting it on fire, our next ingredient is going to be sunflower oil. Use the sunflower oil, this one, the one that is free from any other product. So we are going to be adding sunflower oil, and this we are doing a neem oil. So if you don't even know how to do neem oil, this is one of the ways to do your neem oil from your house without actually going through too much hassle. So this is me doing the neem oil, and we are going to be, it's going to be under low heat until the water the oil turns into green, I mean dark green. Then we know that our neem oil is ready, and it has this great smell because of the fenugreek seed. The first neem oil I did, I'm going to leave that link on as a card on this video. It wasn't smelling so good like this one, and this one I am guessing is because of the fenugreek seed. So if you are doing just neem oil, you can decide to add fenugreek seed to it, since fenugreek is also good for hair and it's going to give it a great smell at the end of the process. So this is the neem oil, still on fire. I still want it to get that popping color, that green color, and this is it. It has the dark green color popping. So all we are going to do is turn off the gas and lower the fire, turn off the gas and leave it to cool down. Let's check the color. So this is it. This is the color popping out, green, dark green. So I'm just going to turn off the gas and leave it to cool down. As we are cooling down our neem oil, we are going to melt our butter. So this is shea butter. If you have cocoa butter, it's also good. It will be a very good combination. Mango butter, any butter you have is good. So I'm just melting my butter in water. After melting it, it has become liquid, and I'm going to go ahead sieve my neem oil at this point. So in sieving the neem oil, I'm going to be using hair net, because I just want to be careful. I just don't want any particles to pour inside. You don't want to do oil when you have particles inside. That would be very disgusting. So this is me sieving the neem oil, and look at that color, guys. Don't tell me this color is not nice. This is a yummy looking color. So after sieving the oil, all I have to do is mix the two. So because my neem oil is too much, it's plenty, I decided to pour just some on the butter. So I'm pouring, I'm adding it and checking the color as well, the color I want for the leave-in butter. So if you want it darker than this, you can go ahead and add more oil, but this is the color I think is good for me. So I'm just going to add this, stir it and put it in a bowl. This is where it's going to be forever. Like, this is where I'm going to be using it from. So I'm just pouring it inside, then put it in the fridge for about 1 hour. And this is the product after solidifying it. This is how it looks, green color popping. And when you take some in your hand, the heat will make it melt. All you have to do is apply it to your hair after moisturizing or washing your hair, and see the magic infuse. So guys, this is all I have for you today. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Until I see you guys in my next video. Bye.